Hello, in today's video you're about to learn how to strengthen, correct and not slouch your upper body with 7 easy, effective exercises and not feel any neck pain again. Let's get started. Lie down on a towel roll. The towel should be in the center of your back between your shoulders in contact with your spine and should also support your cervical spine. Bend your legs to reduce tension in your back area and now pull your shoulders down. Put your hands next to your body and bend your elbows as I show you. From this position, open your hands as much as possible and then bring them to the starting position. This exercise is to strengthen the shoulders area and lengthen the extenders of the thoracic and cervical spine. Do 3 sets of 8 repetitions. If you cannot do it lying down, you can do it with equal positive results from standing up in front of a wall. Here I show it to you in front of a mirror so you can see that my shoulders are down and back. It is exactly the same exercise as the previous one, but in an upright position. Do 3 sets of 8 repetitions. In the quadruple position, place your hands in the same line as your knees and just below your shoulders. Your knees are below your hips. Now bend your elbows to support your upper body in this position like me. Try to keep your torso muscles tight so that your waist does not bend. From this position, turn your upper body as you extend your arm straight over your shoulder. Return to your straight position and do the other side. Do 3 sets of 10 repetitions. From the quadruple position, go back and sit on your feet. Try to lengthen your body muscles as much as you can. Stretch your arms as far as you can, more and more to feel the benefit of this extension. Hold the position for 30 seconds and repeat it 3 times. Take the towel and roll it as I do. From a sitting position, keep your torso elongated, straighten your shoulder area and pull to stabilize your shoulder on your back. Stretch your arms and pull the 2 ends of the towel long enough to stretch it. Relax and repeat again for 8 sets. In the same position, while holding the towel outstretched, raise one hand and lower the other while holding the towel. In this exercise, try to keep your torso straight and elongated. Do 3 sets of 8 repetitions. In this exercise, you should maintain the elongation of your upper torso while activating the rotation of your waist. In this way, you will be able to train the stabilization of your upper torso and at the same time the flexibility of your waist. Hold the towel stretched like me behind the shoulders area like a cane. Turn your upper torso while holding the shoulders area firmly. Do 3 sets of 10 repetitions. Repeat these easy exercises 3 times per week and you'll feel a huge difference in your body's function and not feel any neck pain again. Until next time, be safe.